Understanding Gluten-Free Pasta, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of pasta, with a special focus on gluten-free pasta. Whether you have dietary restrictions or are just curious about this alternative, this video will break down everything you need to know about gluten-free pasta, from its ingredients to its benefits. Before we talk about gluten-free pasta, let's understand what gluten actually is. Gluten is a type of protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It's what gives bread its chewy texture and pasta its firmness. However, some people are allergic or sensitive to gluten and therefore need alternative options. Now, let's introduce gluten-free pasta. Gluten-free pasta is made without any wheat, barley, or rye. Instead, it's made from other grains like corn, rice, or quinoa. This makes it a great option for those who are gluten intolerant or have celiac disease. Choosing gluten-free pasta comes with several benefits. 1. Safe for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. 2. Often rich in vitamins and minerals, depending on the alternative flour used. 3. Diverse in flavors and textures, offering a new culinary experience. Cooking gluten-free pasta can be a bit different. Here are some tips to get the perfect texture. 1. Use plenty of water. Gluten-free pasta can get sticky, so use more water than you would for regular pasta. 2. Stir frequently to prevent sticking. 3. Check the pasta often as cooking times may vary from traditional pasta. Lastly, let's explore some delicious ways to enjoy gluten-free pasta. From classic gluten-free spaghetti with marinara sauce to exotic dishes like gluten-free penne with pesto and roasted vegetables, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to a great dish is in the sauce and toppings, so feel free to get creative. Thank you for joining us on this tasty journey through the world of gluten-free pasta. Whether you're avoiding gluten for health reasons or just exploring new food options, gluten-free pasta is a versatile and delicious choice. We hope this video has been informative and has inspired you to try out some gluten-free pasta dishes. Happy cooking and eating!